introduce you to the EsiCam. It's a mini HD, extremely versatile hidden camera, so we can use it for indoor, outdoor, just a whole variety of different options for you to use it. It's producing HD at 1080 by 15 frames per second, or if you're doing 720 at 30 frames per second. What's nice about this is just got a wide variety of choices for you. Let's take a look. We've got the camera itself, which if you take a look over here, we've got the different buttons. We've got on, off. We've got the different modes. We'll go into this more with the software. In addition, we've got a special case for a TF memory card, so we can just put the little mini memory card in here. And for charging, nice, fits in quite nicely. If we want to attach, for example, the gooseneck. Oops, there we have it here. There we go. First of all, you can see normal things that you might expect is if you want to have it on a car dash and you want to use it in your car dash or someplace nice strong magnet, I can use it here, attached to my application, whether it be Apple or Android, running on my phone. And again, through wireless, I can access all this different information. Okay, so I can connect to my car. I could also connect this. I've got a gooseneck. I could connect this to here as well. Let's put this on here. Oh, put this on. Again, nice gooseneck mount. So I could have it charged via USB, and I could have it maybe indoor in the house or somewhere like that, or in a store. There's a lot of different options for this. Take this device off here. Of course, we've got the power charging cables. In addition, I could actually even wear this in my clothes. Another nice feature here. There we go. Clip this in. I've got a nice little clothes clip, so I could wear it around a belt or something like that. Again, more surveillance-y type of situation, depending on your situation. You've got a lot of different options. And again, I've just got this very strong magnetic, and I can just click the two together. Boom. And I can wear it as a wearable, all the way up to very large. And again, quite a nice, outstanding feature. From charging, this also will act as a base station. Just take this out. Here's my base station. I can just lay my snaps nicely into place. Okay, what I have here is I've actually got my hidden camera working away in 1080 HD mode. It's just basically in monitoring mode. What's nice about this, I could switch if I had up to 4 cameras between the different modes. I could back in single mode, and it's just working away. So again, with just so much flexibility, being able to run this as a watch strap, as a piece of your clothing, working in the evening. Oh, I'm at 720 mode right now. I could make this use of full screen. There we go, the nice full screen. Again, with 150-degree spectrum, which the camera has, fantastic. I'm able to pick up a tremendous amount of detail in my office. I can see quite clearly the phone on the back of the table. So very, very nice. This has a lot of flexibility. I'm in 720 mode. I could switch to 1080 mode. And again, very, very high quality product that this is offering. And I could pick up even the sound in the room. I won't turn on the sound for the time being, since I'm recording here as well. Don't want any back feed. But quite nice application, simple to use. And actually through router you can support up to several people accessing the camera at once to look at it. Even rotation mode. Let's check this out. Whoa. Just in case it's a ceiling mount, that could be quite effective. All in all, quite a versatile and flexible product.